Welcome back everybody. Hope everyone is doing fine. Are you still wearing your pants, or did you do a little bit of a poo-poo yesterday after that flash crash that we saw in the crypto markets? Absolutely insane. Some of these altcoins went down 30% in, well, was it 30 minutes? Absolutely insane. We're going to look at the BTC chart and I have a couple of updates for you. If you like the content, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click on the bell, click all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think this is useful. Without further ado, let's start diving in. This is the BTC chart on the 4 hour, and well, if you look at it, actually it doesn't look all too terrible compared to what we saw yesterday across the boards, because we just had a wick here. But yeah, like I said, a lot of these alts, man, they dumped down. Was it a surprise? No, not for me. Matter of fact, I updated you a couple days ago and I said on Twitter, funding rates on most of these altcoins are currently going through the roof. Don't be surprised if we get a flush. Well, it took a couple days because it's hard to exactly pinpoint when it will happen, which day, which hour, but eventually it did happen, and this is how the funding rate is looking right now for some of the majors. And this actually looks very healthy. This is what you want to see at and around that 0.01 or a little bit higher, a little bit lower. This looks good and healthy. This is the feeding ground usually for higher prices. So yeah, nice to see that play out. Also, yesterday I said on Discord that I wouldn't mind having 1, 2 or 3 red days in a row just to clean and clear that funding rate, get out the late longers. I also already had many green days on the alts after each other. I think my record now was like 13 days in a row of just spot back going up. So yeah, you want to see that little bit of a flush just to keep things healthy and clean. Well, we got that yesterday. A little bit of a move for BTC, a pretty big move for ETH, and a major move on some of these alts. But like I said, now the funding rate is completely cleared. I have 5 trades for you. I have to say, these are really the usual suspects that we can trade. That's just a short from one of these highs. So taking out this high or this high or this high could be a short trade. And the same is actually also here for the long, taking out this low or this low right here. That could also be a long trade. And then I have a couple of more trades. They're not here on the chart. They are well, a bit more in between, shall we say. So they're kind of like in this range right here. There are a couple of trades I'm looking at. If you want to know which trades or which exact level that is, then please feel free to join the Discord. The link's in the description. It's completely for free. You don't have to pay anything. We're also doing right now a 1k to 10k trading challenge, and I'm updating you almost every day, multiple times a day, about my thoughts about the market, when I'm taking a trade, when I'm not taking a trade, if I expect something. For example, the people who were in Discord already then heard me say yesterday I wouldn't mind going down. Well, within 24 hours that happened. And now I gave a handful of trading setups, and I also explain in the Discord, again, it's for free, why I'm not taking a trade. I mean, I can put it here on the chart, 5 trades, but it doesn't mean that I will set limit orders and trade every trade. Sometimes when we reach a level, I'm not pulling the trigger because, for example, I miss my confirmations. Well, if you want to see those updates real time and why I am or I'm not taking some of these trades, then please again feel free to join the Discord. It's completely for free, and you can also join our 1k to 10k trading challenge in that same Discord. And yeah, then you can follow my my trades, my setups, my thoughts and ideas during the market and during the price action when it develops, because yeah, there I can just have much more time and space to explain my thoughts and trades. So feel free to join me there. Again, I have a few more trading setups. I keep them for the free members that are in there. That is somewhere at and around that area. Also, they updated something about ETH and some of the alts. I think they're great trading opportunities ahead of us, and this could be the start of a great trading week. Quickly want to move over then to market Cipher B. We have a few of the time frames, and I'm like, not sure. Here we have the 4 hour printing a green dot. View was higher, but money flow is at and around that 0 line. What I'm hoping or expecting is that the money flow does a little bit like this and then to go higher. Same something we have seen here. I would be surprised if we see something like this, where we have a fat wave to the downside, and that we see a big dump. I do not expect that. I think this was just a flash dump to get everyone out, and now we probably slowly going higher, or maybe that we make a bullish divergence, but that money flow is not going all too deep. That for me is important. On the 1 hour, maybe we see one more like this. The money flow is still pretty deep in the red compared to this whole wave where we were. And on the daily, it actually still looks super strong. The money flow is still fat in the green, and you can also see, yes, we have red dots along the way, but usually in such a strong bull market, that is just 1, 2, 3 red days, flat days, a little bit down, and eventually you hit a key level and then you go higher again. So here's just the same. I do not expect something like this and everything rolling over and that's it and we're going to zero and that was the end of the bull market. Absolutely not. Again, I think that this was just a flash dump. Price needs to stabilize. There are a lot of trading opportunities, but you need to be able to spot them and to capitalize on them. But I do not think that this was the end in no means. I know that a lot of people suddenly get super bearish and get super scared about seeing such a big price movement. But you have to see it in perspective and you have to see where we came from, because like I said, funding rate was high. So when it also went up tremendously in the last couple of weeks, there was just no retrace. This retrace was overdue, and you want to see that during a strong bull trend, because that is what keeps things healthy, and that is what sets like I said, usually the feeding ground, or is the feeding ground for next leg up, and that can take a little bit of time. It's not we're going down today and we're going up tomorrow. It can take a little bit of time, but that is actually what you want to see if you have a bull market that goes on for months and months and months. Again, if you want to know the exact levels and when I'm trading, what I'm not taking, then feel free to join the Discord. It's completely for free. Link is in the description. And when you're down there anyways, guys, please do me a favor by liking this video, subscribe, clicking the bell, clicking also so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share the video with your friends if you think this is useful, and see you guys very soon again in the next video or on Discord. Bye bye.